Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be reviewing this amazing Garnier Hyalouron Shot face mask. This is a kind of a DIY face mask. The packaging has two sections and it's sealed in the middle. So in the top section you have a dry tissue mask, and in the bottom section you have all the fluid, the essence, which is a mixture with hyaluronic acid. This face mask claims to replump and smooth your skin, and it also says that after 1 week, which means 3 applications, your skin feels smoother and bouncier. After 4 weeks, which is 12 applications, your skin feels firmer and more elastic. So let's go and see how this works and what will be the results. You want to keep it like this, then you fold once, you fold another one time, and then you want to push all the bottom until it's unsealed and all the liquid part goes up to the dry tissue mask. So let's see. Okay, I think I did it. Okay. So I will just hold it like that, upside down, until the fluid is down to the dry tissue. Now, according to the instructions, you want to wait about a minute until the tissue has absorbed all the ingredients, all the serum, and then you will open it and apply it to your face. Before applying a face mask, you need to have a clean base, a clean face. So no makeup, no moisturizer, nothing. Maybe double cleanse it if you have makeup and you want to be sure that you have a clean face. And of course you want to wash your hands because you don't want to transfer any bacteria or any dirt. Just in case, I have a towel right here. Whoops. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so there's our tissue mask. It's pretty liquidy. We want to gently unfold it. You don't want to rip your face mask. And you are ready to apply it. You should better start from your forehead because this will be more easy. Okay. It's very nice. It feels very soft. It has a cooling effect. And now you want to set the mask as better as you can. Make sure you also apply it under your chin. It feels very nice and very soft and very hydrating, and you should probably wear something to hold your hair back. So now that we have applied our face mask, we will wait about 15 minutes. And I know that many of you maybe keep your face mask for longer, but you should keep in mind that if you keep a sheet mask longer than the recommended time, it is possible that the mask will absorb all the moisture of your face, and this is something that you don't want to happen. It's great to use a face mask like this, or maybe eye patches, especially when you didn't sleep well last night and you didn't have time to make your skin and your face look fresh and radiant. So it's a good thing to do. So the next day your skin will be great, and you can even go out without makeup. Just put your moisturizer and it glow. It's already been 10 minutes after I applied this face mask, and I really feel my skin is pulling all the essence and all the serum. I feel that the mask is getting more dry. So this means that my skin really needed this treatment. So I'm looking forward to see how my skin will look after I take off the mask. So it's been 15 minutes since we applied the face mask, and now it's time to take it off. One very important thing is that you don't want to wash off all the excess. So we're taking off our face mask. Our skin feels great. So what you want to do is to gently massage your skin upwards. And if you want for the essence to be better absorbed and faster absorbed, you just slowly and gently tap your skin. You're tapping the product into your skin, and all the excess you want to drag down to your neck. There's not much left in my skin. So what I will do, because I want something extra for my skin and for my neck, I will just take some of the leftover, and what I will do is put more in my neck, a little bit more under my eyes. Okay, and you know what? You can also put the rest of it in your hands. My hands are pretty dry this time of the year, so this will be very good for your skin and maybe your knees, your elbows, wherever you feel that your skin is dry and needs a little extra hydration. So how I feel about it, I feel that my skin looks super hydrated. I like it. I have this glow. I don't know how you can see it in the camera, and I feel it more tight. Of course, if I use it more times, like it's mentioned in the packaging, so if I use it for a whole week, I will see better results. But for what I wanted right now, I think it does what it says. So this is how my skin looks right after getting this face mask. I gently massaged all the leftover, and still I have some in the packaging that I will keep for tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, to put it alone as a serum. So I hope you enjoyed this video and my review on the product. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see first all the new videos and tutorials and skincare tips that I upload every Wednesday. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.